Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here, and welcome to this video. I'm excited about this video, and I'm going to share why I'm very excited about this video, okay? And as you can see here, it says create wealth sharing this information, okay? And we've got a powerful opportunity. If you're looking for a great home-based business, maybe to add a business to your portfolio of whatever you're doing, then this is that opportunity, okay? And then I'm also going to be sharing some thoughts. If you look here, it says some thoughts and lessons learned from some extremely wealthy people. And I really started listening, just listening to what I'm talking about, ultra wealthy people. And they think a little bit differently than I think, but I've decided to immerse myself in how they think and then grab some points, okay, to use in my own life, because there's some things that I want to do before I leave this world, okay? And one, I was actually looking for this opportunity, Oliabo. Okay, I was looking for it, and when I found it, I jumped in with both feet. Okay, and so I want to share some information with you, and this is so that if you have an interest, then you might decide to take, a further look at it. Okay, so if you see here, it says key phytonutrients and bioactive compounds in Oliabo's Prima. Prima is our foundational product, and man, it's pretty fantastic. Okay, I'll say that. And the thing would be to look at things for yourself, do the research. Okay, you can Google the benefits of high quality olive oil. Okay. And our product is derived from high-phenolic olive oil. Okay. Now, if you look here, it says high-phenolic extra virgin olive oil, HPEVOO. Okay. And the foundation is high-phenolic extra virgin olive oil is rich in naturally occurring antioxidants and healthy fats that form the base of Prima's effectiveness. And so now let's talk primary benefits, okay? And believe me, I'm just going to be scratching the surface in this video, but I'm leaving you some information in the description area of this video. You grab the link and you'll go to a page. It's 2 short pages, but powerful information. You need to check it out, okay? So make sure that you do that. But let's go to the next slide. Okay, let me see. Okay, so as you can see, primary benefits, okay? And this is to get you started, okay? And if you look here, and we make no medical claims, and nothing that we say is intended to help you treat anything, okay, or fix anything medically. The research is out there, and the research is powerful, and that's why I'm excited about sharing this information, because this is something that has been known for a long time, and in the last 10 to 20 years, I mean, the research is popping out on the benefits of olive oil, olive leaf, olive extract. It's really blue zone food, okay? And boy, it's exciting. Okay, now look, benefit: supports cardiovascular health, okay, improves cholesterol balance, HDL, LDL, protects arteries from oxidation, reduces systemic inflammation, supports brain and metabolic health, enhances nutrient absorption. And there's more to the story as well. Okay. Now look at this. HPEVOO, hyper, or should I say hyper? Got that in my brain. High-phenolic extra virgin olive oil acts as both the delivery system and biological activator for the other compounds. And there's some amazing compounds in this, okay? And again, I've left you some information so that you can check it out yourself, okay? Now, become wealthy. Here's some thoughts, guys. Lessons and thoughts that wealthy people have learned. I'm talking ultra wealthy. When I'm talking about very wealthy people, and they think differently than you and I think, but we can learn a lot from them, how they think, and keep our minds, okay, in an abundance mindset state. That's where I want to be, always thinking abundance, okay? And so I'm going to be sharing on my videos. I'm going to share some of this information with you just by listening to ultra wealthy, rich people, okay, and getting what's in their minds. And these people have made mega dollars, okay? Here's one. Work. Be willing to hustle. Don't worry about money. Worry about providing value. And that's a big one for people who are wealthy, okay? They're really into providing value, okay? Now, I love this one too. It's kind of exciting. It says, when it comes to sales, we don't ask the wrong questions. We ask the wrong people. And you know, many times you're going to share information with people. Some people are going to say, but you're going to share it with the right people. And it might, you know, it takes a little time to find the right people, okay? But you can't quit. You got to keep going. And that's another big one. Did I put that down? If I didn't, it'll be in the next one. You can't quit. You got to keep going, because you're going to find those people who want what you have to offer. Believe me. Okay. Now, number 3. I loved all of these actually. Okay. Develop a disciplined life. Become as healthy and as active as possible for as long as possible. And again, these are some thoughts and lessons learned from ultra wealthy people. Okay. Okay, so be sure to grab the link in the description area of this video. Make sure you check out the information there, and grab that link and you know, check things out. This is exciting. This is powerful. And you know, I think people that get in this and really go for it, I truly believe this, that we'll be able to create wealth by sharing this information with other people. And I say it like this, I'm thinking about it, and I wrote it down in my notes. And says, you know, give this to yourself, give this to people that you love, and give it to people that you don't love. Share it with people, share the information. Okay. But there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and incredibly amazing day today. Bye-bye now.